Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we have the Next Cream Dial Kettle. 1.7 litre capacity, rapid boil, free 2-year guarantee included with proof of purchase. It costs £42 as you can see, and there are matching appliances available. We will be getting this toaster at some point. So yeah, just open up the box. Some instructions. So this is the kettle out of the box. Next logo. Very temperature there. A max fill of 1.7 litres, a minimum fill of 1 litre. Feels quite good, looks quite nice. Get the lid off. And, just like any kettle really. Got your element, your filter, etc. So we'll give it its first boil and see how quickly it boils it. It says rapid boil on the box. We'll find out just how rapid it is. Okay, so you should probably read the manual. I mean, all kettles are very simple. There's not really a lot to it. Just fill it with water and boil it. But yeah, just for the sake of it, have a read through it. I'll tell you about your warranty and stuff like that. So I filled it up with water, and then we're going to time how long it takes to reach a full boil. It is full, 1.7 litres of water. We'll see how long it takes. So we achieved full boiling point in 4 minutes, which is pretty quick. So yeah, just to add to the video, this, it's not a bad kettle. It feels alright. A nice silver trim around it. But an odd thing, it might just be me this, if I try and get the camera. See how the outlet part, whatever you call that, let's see, seems to be a bit oddly shaped. I don't know what that's all about. But yeah, it pours okay, it pours just fine. A slight issue is that when you've only got, say, 1 cup of water in there, it takes a lot of tilting to get it all out. So if you're going to have 1 cup, maybe put 2 cups worth of water in so that you don't have to tilt it as far. But other than that, it is a good kettle. It has a good feel to it, nice solid feel. It feels safe, as it should. So yeah, I think that's it. So again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.